First, listen to the full conversation.
Hello, what can I get you today?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Would you like sugar with it?
Just 1 spoon, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Round 1. You respond.
Hello, what can I get you today? Would you like sugar with it? Anything else?
Round 2. You speak first.
I'd like a cappuccino, please. Just 1 spoon, please. No, that's all. Thank you.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, can you help me find this address?
Sure, it's near the main square.
Is it walking distance?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can you help me find this address? Is it walking distance? Thank you for your help.
Sure, it's near the main square. Yes, about 10 minutes. You're welcome.
Conversation 3. Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Eva Stone.
Yes, I found your booking.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Good evening. I have a reservation. Eva Stone. What time is breakfast?
May I have your name, please? Yes, I found your booking. From 7 to 10 a.m.
Conversation 4.
Hi, long time no see.
I know. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work.
Same here.
Want to grab a coffee later?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Hi, long time no see. I've been good, just busy with work. Want to grab a coffee later?
I know. How have you been? Same here. Sure, that sounds nice. Great job. See you next time.